frequencies around 2 feet. Wave detail, north.
Hey, how you doing? It's Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and we're back to reviewing radios. Yeah, that's what we like to do. And boy, has the weather been brutal. And I live in Florida. We got down to 38 degrees this morning. I can't imagine you people that live up north. Oh, bad. And one thing I try to emphasize is you need an emergency radio. And this is another emergency radio. It's from PRUNUS. It's the J-05. It's pretty good size. Ooh, yeah, and heavy because it uses 3 D-cell batteries, or it comes with an AC cord and it has a built-in AC adapter. Let me do some measurements here. It's about 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Has a telescopic antenna. The telescopic antenna rotates except if you have the handle up, it won't rotate this way. So you have to put the handle down, which I'll do right now. Put the handle down, then put the antenna up, then it will rotate in all directions. It's, let's see, about 20 inches. It's AM, FM, and weather band. No digital stuff, all analog. Easy to read dial. Let me zoom in for a second. There's the dial. Band select. AM, FM, weather band. Big, big, big speaker. Good sound. Manual, which you don't need. This is straightforward. You don't need a manual. And I really like it. It's your basic emergency radio. And you need to have an emergency radio. Whoa, the weather has been so brutal this past year. Oh my gosh. Even in Florida, like I say, this morning was 38 degrees. That's not Florida weather. Anyway, let's do a little tuning here. Turn it back on off volume, tuning knob.
From the cold.
Weather band.
Water pipes from
Okay, I got 2 weather stations. Sometimes I can get 3, but usually 2. I got the 2 loud and clear. So let's go on to, and we got to be careful of music. Let's go to AM.
Did you see what happened in California?
Okay.
You said we're not going to let that happen. And I give them great compliment because they were there in force.
Very loud and clear. I just got the volume turned up maybe a quarter. So it's got plenty of volume.
So anyway, but he told me do not bring
Middle of the
your
band.
sidearm. So what did I do?
Very easy to read. A little stiff on the tuning, but it makes it very smooth. Now, I probably can improve reception on AM by turning it this way. Let's try to find a station, a weak station.
The CDC recommends you get vaccinated against pneumococcal pneumonia. Even if you're healthy,
Stations are that way.
people 50 or older are over 6 times more likely to be hospitalized with pneumococcal pneumonia.
Yeah.
This is CBS News on the Hour, your home for original reporting.
I'm Deborah Rodriguez, Minnesota.
By Charity Mobile.
Oh, yeah.
Information at Charity Mobile.
Picks up a lot of stations. Okay, let's switch to FM, but we're going to have to tune real fast because there's probably a lot of music on FM right now. We're near the top of the band. Yeah.
Right. Don't worry if you missed the deadline for open enrollment. Right now, you can get the health insurance you and your family need from top insurance providers, even if you have pre-existing
1015 Vibe app or 1015vibe.com.
That's gold.
Doing great job.
At TampaBay'sMix.com.
It's workday pay.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get off that music. Very well made. There's the earbud port. Like I say, no TF card, music player, nothing like that. Just straightforward. Right there is where this plugs in, so you can use AC instead of DC. So another thing makes it emergency radio is it works on batteries. So if you lose AC power, you can always go to batteries. Like I said, it uses 3 D cells, so it's going to play for a long time using D cells. Nice little radio. I want to thank PRUNUS for sending me this radio. Again, it's the J-05, available on Amazon. I did put it in my Amazon store, so you can purchase it through the link in the description below each video, and I get a small commission. I mean, it's really small. It's like 2 to 4%, but it helps because I can purchase radios to review for you. I hope you enjoyed this show. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye-bye.